Hello everyone, I'm Adnan. So today I'm going to solve a very easy question using last in first term method. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to find out cost of goods sold and ending inventory with the help of last in first out method in short form, which is called LIFO. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take uh, inventories inventories which is purchased at last date in the year. So and then I'm going to take second last, and in this order I'm going to calculate the cost of goods sold and ending inventory. So first let's calculate cost of goods sold first. So now I'm going to uh, find out let's assume that during let's read the question first. Let's assume that during the feeding session the operation uses 250 of tons of silage. So November 25 1 ton. Okay, now 25 100 tons, 100 into 50, 5000. So I'm going to first um, take 1000 tons from November 25 from November 25 um, in the year, and then I'm going to take 100 tons from October 20. So 100 into 4000 20 45, 100 into 45, so 4500. And in September I'm going to take from September 25 I'm going to take 50 tons from this 100 quantity, because the question want me to find out the operation uses 250 tons of silage. So what operation the question wants me to find out value of cost of goods sold, which is 250 tons. So September 25, accounting is very easy. So 100 into 40 for sorry for okay, okay, so 50 tons, 50 into okay, okay, 50 ton, 50 into 40, 2000. So let's sum this number together. Okay, so I can I don't need to formula. I can calculate it by no, my brain. So for 5000, for 955, 9500, 11500. So this is cost of goods sold calculation. I'm going to highlight it with bold. Month, amount, COGS. So you can see that 250 ton used, already used. So 50 is remaining. So 50 is my ending inventory. So now I'm going to calculate ending inventory. So ending inventory is 50 tons remaining. So 50 into 40, 2000. So ending inventory is 2000. That's all for today. Keep watching my videos if you want to learn more. Thank you. Best of luck. Hit subscribe and press like if you find my videos helpful.